fish markets and stuff, man, you don't get much fresher than that. Morning everybody, Dan here from Headwaters Kayak Shop, and today we're out at the Noyo Harbor where the Noyo River meets the Pacific Ocean, and I'm hanging out with my good friends Jeff and Cate from Liquid Fusion Kayaking. If you guys haven't heard of them, you'll never forget them now, because we're about to go do a hot lap in Noyo Harbor, show you guys around their backyard, and highlight a little bit about what Liquid Fusion does. Some of the best in the industry when it comes to performance paddling, getting whitewater boats in the sea. This is the man himself, Jeff. I'm going to introduce you right now.
Hey Dan, I'm so stoked that you came here. We're
What
gonna
you
have
got?
a blast. So here we got the a chart of the Noyo Harbor, and we're gonna do a hot lap. So it means we're gonna do a loop around the bay and see what kind of whitewater features we can find.
What are you paddling? Just an Axiom?
We got the shred sled, the Axiom.
Nice. That thing looks like it'll serve. All right, what do you think of that little whitewater sit on top, Matt?
Wiggly.
Woo!
Wiggly.
All right, here we go. Nice, Matt. Awesome. Nice one, Matt. We're heading over to the green buoy. Gonna cross over, drop the skeg down. Away we go. Heading over to a place called Nick's Nightmare. A little rocky point with a cave and pretty rowdy, or at least it can be. See what we can get into here. Boom! Oh my god. Phew! Yo, Joshie! Yo! Sorry, Kate. What do you think of this next one? Yeah. Oh wait, I've been rushing it. Yeah, it was fun. Glad I didn't get drugged back over the top of it, for sure. Yeah. Jeff taking us in here. We're gonna go explore this cave. So much fun. These guys are sending it today. It's great to watch. Matt's quote of the day is, "It looks so much worse than it feels." That's awesome. Whitewater, the scene in that show. Look at this wall of succulent plants. Oh, this one, the car wash here. Right. Oh yeah, do that. A jump. You want to get over here? Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, would you grab this? I'm gonna swim it. Okay. Oh man, I can't believe I missed that so bad. Oh, it's exhausting. Eye opener.
Your bow goes that way. There you go. Everything's easy now, buddy.
Cool, thank you. Yeah, I mean, I thought I was like, all right, that's a good surf. I'll just surf out, and I thought there'd be some sort of a pillow. There was no pillow. When all the water bashed against that boat, it blew my spray deck and it blew my hatch. So I want to talk a little bit about that, you guys. You'll see how Jeff here runs an additional strap over the top of his hatch. I think that's what I need to do too, is run, maybe I'll even do it like an X pattern to keep that from imploding. And so another thing is, if you look at Jeff's spray skirt, this is gonna stay on even in some pretty nasty shit, right?
It does.
So I have heavy duty spray skirts at the shop, but none that fit my new boat. So I was like, oh, I'll just bring this one. Didn't plan on getting that rowdy, but that's the lesson right there. Is you never expect to get that rowdy, but then you do and shit like this happens. And super thankful I'm with Jeff. He was able to help fish me out. We swam my boat to shore, threw a line, got it out. Worked as a team to empty it, but man, that was brutal.
Heavy.
That was brutal. And if you look, there's our launch. We're not far, but shit happens. There's probably, less than 1% of the population that gets to see things from this perspective.
That's right. Yeah.
Feel pretty darn lucky. You guys get out here. Jeff provides the boats, the gear. All you got to show up with is an able body, a great attitude. What, 14 or older?
14 or older.
What am I missing? Must be able to swim?
Got to be able to swim. Got to have an adventure side to it because we're going slow. And you're going to get wet, so come ready for that.
I can vouch for that. Sponge it all out, ready to go, back in action. What do you guys think? Send it again? I gotta send it again. I thought you were supposed to do it. Alright, that's our takeout. What a day, man. Just a couple hours, but a super fun adventure. Every different level of feature, from sit outside and watch to, man, I got wrecked a few times. Alright guys, we're going to wrap it up. That was super, super awesome to hang out with these guys. We're all dried up, ready to go. Salt in the nose and the head. Anyways, thank you guys for watching and hanging with us today. Hopefully it inspires you to get out. Until next time, this is Dan wishing you happy paddling. We'll see you on the next one. Bragg and Noyo Harbor without getting some fish and chips, so walking up the pier to find a spot.
And a beer.
Yeah, let's do this. Yes. All right, Josh, cheers, buddy.